The 2011 Nissan GT-R 35RX by GReddy. GReddy takes pride in the fact that they are a company founded and managed by racers and enthusiasts, and their latest take on the Nissan GT-R is proof of that fact. The new GT-R 35RX by GReddy is powered by a 4.3-liter stroker VR engine that has been tweaked, pushed, and pulled for amazing results. It starts with a twin-turbo upgrade kit and a Type-29R Cross-flow intercooler kit that rev the power all the way to 1084 HP, while a T94mm full Y-back titanium exhaust system ensures the engine growl sounds just right. Other features for the 35RX include a tuned GR6 transmission cooled down by a DCT transmission cooler kit, a Dodson Exedy clutch kit, a Dodson first gear upgrade, and WPC treated full gear set and clutch steel plates. The power is sent to MT drag radial tires with Ray's Engineering Volk Racing G2 wheels. Visually, the first thing anyone will notice is the giant BOMEX rear wing, but GReddy is also working on a top-secret front bumper for the kit. All of the hard work put into the Nissan GT-R 35RX by GReddy came to a head on September 18, 2011, when it recorded a 202.5 mph top speed at the Fuji Speedway with world champion Time Attack Challenge pilot Tarzan Yamada behind the wheel. The vehicle currently does the quarter-mile in the 9-second range, but GReddy is still working on it to achieve a time in the 8-second range. Update January 18, 2012, GReddy has unveiled an official video presenting their 35RX GT-R during a testing session. Fearless option video driver Tarzan Yamada takes to the Fuji Speedway for the high-speed test, achieving over 200 mph. Enjoy!
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.